In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have curvy text in Microsoft PowerPoint. Start by opening your presentation. On Windows, click the Start button, open PowerPoint, and head to the slide where you want the effect. If you already have PowerPoint open, simply navigate to the target slide so you can see your layout while you work. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and choose Text Box. Click on the slide to place it, then type your message. For example, Merry Christmas. You can adjust the font and size now or later, either way works. Select the text you just typed. You can drag to highlight the characters or click the text box border so the entire box is selected. When the text or the box is selected, you'll see the Shape Format tab appear at the top. If you don't see it, click the border again to make sure you're selecting the shape, not just placing the cursor inside the text. On the Shape Format tab, find Text Effects, the icon that looks like a glowing A. Click it, hover over Transform, and you'll see a gallery of presets. Under Follow Path, pick the style you like. Arch creates a gentle curve, Circle wraps your text into a ring, Wave adds a flowing bend, and Arch Up or Arch Down gives a smile or frown shape. As soon as you choose one, your text will follow that path. To fine-tune the curve, look for the small yellow handle on the text box. Dragging that handle adjusts the intensity of the curvature. Move it outward for a softer arc, or inward for a tighter bend. You can also resize the text box with the corner handles. A wider box usually creates a subtler curve, while a narrower box makes the bend more dramatic. If a yellow handle isn't visible for the style you chose, use the box's width and height to control the look. A few quick polishing tips. Short phrases curve more cleanly than long sentences. If letters look cramped after choosing circle or a tight arch, reduce the font size or enlarge the text box. Bold sans serif fonts tend to stay legible on curves, and a touch of character spacing can prevent overlap. If your curve doesn't feel right, reselect the text box, go back to Text Effects, Transform, and try a different follow path until it matches your design. Remember, you're not making a permanent change. The text remains fully editable, so you can double-click to update the wording anytime. To return to straight text, revisit Transform and select No Transform. And that's it! You opened your slide, added a text box, typed your message, applied a transform effect, and adjusted the curve with the yellow handle or by resizing. Save your presentation and enjoy clean, professional, curvy text.